hello everyone! How are you all doing today? Hello everyone! I forgot to turn on the voice modulator. I was forgetting something as usual. Oh well. In any case, how are you all doing? This is gonna be an interesting few weeks. My roommates are going home for Christmas, so I am all alone in the house, which is gonna be interesting. Yeah, let's see. I forgot my mozzarella sticks, the cheese got everywhere. Oh no! Oh well. Well, I'm not doing alright. Cool to see you again. It's good to see you too. Doing good. Good to see you. Yay. I'm glad. Party time. Yeah. Yeah, well. Runfrom.exe. Hello, Alicia. Nice to see you. Well. Tonight is going to be a very fun project, because we are working on a mod that is the idea of one of our good friends here on the stream and Dungeon Breaker's girlfriend, Blue Cat. So in 12, thank you very much for following. Welcome to the network. Yeah, we have an all-new mod that we're going to be starting from scratch tonight, which is quite exciting. We've got some pretty interesting plans. Here, quite neat. Left you home alone? I hope no pair of robbers hears about it. Hi, hello Joey Jojo. Nice to see you. Yeah. This is gonna be quite neat. Look, it'll be really cool. I know it'll be really cool because Riley has really good ideas for mods. Well, I suppose instead of just talking about it, we should get to talking about what this mod is. Let's head over there now. Ooh, good starting. Well, welcome to USM, also known as Untitled Steam Mod or United Steam Mechanics, or other things if we think of them. It is going to be a Steam-based tech mod with some really interesting ideas. They are quite neat. So, we're gonna get working on... Yeah, so let's talk about what this is. So, it is, as I said, is this a Steam mod to... Oh, is this a sequel to Untitled Goose Game? No, but that is where the original title came from. It was gonna be Steam mod, then Goose Game took over everything. But yeah, it is going to be a progression-focused tech mod that's a bit different from your typical progression-focused tech mod in some ways that I personally think are really cool and good. I did start thinking of the mod around the time when Goose Game came out, yeah. Yeah, so, right now there are 3 planned materials in the world. There is copper in the form of native copper, which drops as nuggets, 5 to 13 of them. There is malachite, which is a copper material that drops as gems. And there's sphalerite, which is a zinc material that drops as gems. We're not sure what's going to happen to the native copper and malachite once 117 hits, but we'll think about it. Native copper is found in mountainous cliff faces and spawns in similar volume to nether quartz. Not spawn below Y70. Oh, no, for 117 plus, vanilla's copper will be the native copper. Okay. Don't tell me sphalerite spawns in the end. Malachite is found underground. Spawns in similar volume to iron ore, spawns at the same heights as iron, and it's quite common. The malachite gem is equal to 1 copper ingot in value, but you can't process them until you have a melting basin. That means you need to have the native copper for your early infrastructure. And lastly, yeah, I am no Greg. Yeah, this is not going to be Greg Techie, don't worry. Sphalerite is found underground in its bonds and volume slightly larger than iron, but at the same height as redstone. It is uncommon, also equal to 1 ingot, with blocks being ground into dust via grinding blades. Then you can melt that into elemental zinc with a melting basin. It's the last big gate before accessing brass in the second tier of the mod. Partially inspired by Steam era Greg, but I'm only stealing the good bits. Yeah. These are a few, advancements that have been sketched out that won't really make sense until we explain the rest of it. But yeah, let's talk about Steam, because that's what the mod's all about. Like how IC2 has its voltage system, USM will have different pressures organized into different tiers. IC2's voltages are found in powers of 4 multiplied by 8, so 32 EU for LV, 128 EU for MV, and 512 EU for HV per packet. These are hard to parse at a glance and scale exponentially and get big, so we're not going to do that. We will be using linear centennial tiers. Low pressure is 100% capacity, medium pressure is 200% capacity, and high pressure is 300%. His Steam is in the platformer, the power source. Pyro-mechanical. Hi, Llama, hello there! Yeah, the power source, yeah. Assuming the tiers array starts at 1, which most programmers don't, but non-programmers do, 100% capacity is so much more legible. Also means the addition of another tier isn't a big leap in power. It'll hopefully be a lot smoother. A copper boiler can only generate up to 100% of its capacity, but a copper machine has no such cap. Yeah. This is kind of been changed. It says machines will always accept... I keep doing that, sorry. I'm bumping the back key on my mouse. It says they'll always accept as much Steam as you can provide to them, but we are thinking that machines will only go up to 300%. Still working stuff out, but there won't be any, explosions or anything. Just because that doesn't really fit with what we're going for. Increasing the pressure of a machine will have various effects, which we'll talk about later. Yeah, logistics haven't thought out yet because logistics are weird. Gadgets are interesting, so we'll figure them out too. For our tiers, we have low pressure, which is copper and solid fuel, which is going to be you make the machines out of copper, which you've got the native copper such, and you generate steam using boilers which take coal or other furnace fuels. Basic consumers would be the melting basin, which you need for sphalerite and the malachite gems, and stuff like grinding blades, which could grind things up. At medium pressure, we would have brass and fluid fuel, which would be oil and such like that. For high pressure, we're gonna have steel machines with nuclear heat power, because that is how a lot of modern nuclear reactors actually work, is that they generate heat from the nuclear reaction and convert it into steam using cooling. Those, of course, go into turbines for electrical power in the modern world, but you're sticking with steam. And then over here, Riley's got cheap bad illustrations putting her I'm in my element. Yeah, these are some interesting things we've had ideas for. Like a blower spigot which will blow air and anything caught in it in the specific direction. It's pretty cool. Steam powered but dewaterizes the steam. I love my sketches so much. They're really good sketches. Well, sketches are good for getting the physical models together, yeah. One of the gadgets we've thought up is the steam-powered pogo stick, which is quite a cool idea, if I'm being entirely honest. It's basically a pogo stick that you get extra boosts with using pneumatic power. And then lastly, you have the grinding blades, which is kind of your pulverizer-y thing-ish. The big thing we want to do is make things, like, feel like they fit in the world, you know? Like, they're not just a magic block that does this. You actually understand what it's doing and how it affects things. The pogo stick mechanically acts to the triple jump in 3D Mario games. Yeah. And in some of the 2D ones, New Soup for example. But yeah. That is basically all we've got right now. Of course, we can do brainstorming and such. And we're also just gonna get to writing the mod. Because, like, if you look, here's the project. We have a lot of, admittedly, really pretty textures that Riley has made so far. Like, look at this boiler. Look at this. Right things. Hide edge. Yep. So like, this is all the mod we have right now. We've got starter class, and we've got really pretty textures that Riley's made. And look at this fucking boiler. It's incredible. Like, honestly, it's so good. And that's all we've got right now. We are starting from complete scratch, and it's gonna be fun. So, what is important to make first? Let's create a few, like, shell classes now where we're gonna register all our blocks and items. Lemma. Yeah, what is it? Does this mod have any unique constructs or stuff to build? That is something we've been thinking about. One of the big things that a lot of Minecraft mods have issue with is a sense of scale, because everything is just one block, and we have a bit of issue with that. All this talk of steam makes me think of like a big steampunk dragon. Ooh, that would be cool. Are the machines multi-blocks? The starting tier will not be, but later tiers will be multi-block, will likely be multi-block. I'd like to add ore processing and some gadgets that help out here or there, but not meant to take the place of a big mainline tech mod. Think Pneumatic Craft, not IC2, yeah. But, yeah, definitely having like some sort of scale would be good, since big machines are cool as all hell. That's Metacraft. As for multi-blocks, there'll be big blocks, but nothing like immersive engineering where you have to place each block one by one. Yeah, you know, we're gonna have big blocks, and if we want to, we might have some like configurable stuff, but like, you won't have to basically build to a template. If you want a if there's gonna be something big, you'll either place it all at once or have something to build it for you. You won't have to place it block by block to specification. If you do have to place something block by block, it'll be a lot more customizable. That was like Greg Tech where you place 50 machine casings or something. But I was thinking of it as like this, like how vanilla bed is technically 2 blocks. Yeah, big blocks, like that. I'm having trouble hearing you. Oh, there. I have bumped up my gain a bit. Let me see how that is. Okay, that looks a lot better. Good. Thanks, yeah. Oh, so like the environmental technology assembly wand. Yeah, that's an option. Let's get some... What are we making? We are making a Steam-focused, like, minor tech mod. Steam! Yep. Let me quickly... I'd like to avoid situations where there's crafting altars. Yeah. Let's see. Uh... 279 is the most recent, okay. Then, yeah, right now I'm adding a dependency which will make some things a lot easier for us. Alright, so it's still, I'll get Harmonic Studios. Just a sec. Alright? Yep. Alright. So there's this. And we also want util. Gonna get roasted for this, but yes, the arc furnace counts as crafting altar in the context of this is a big block that amounts to a crafting table. Yeah. Alright, now this can refresh. Yeah. Also, I may lurk a bit tonight just trying to draw and keep my legs awake. Yeah, that's just fine. Yeah, there is definitely an issue in mods with things that are just crafting tables with extra steps, which can have a place, but also don't have any sort of place. Let's quickly do fabric and sources in the background. Go away windows. Yeah, we are going to be using a system called Cardinal Components, which makes things just honestly so much easier for doing all sorts of development and things like that in Minecraft. It lets you attach special components onto blocks or items or entities or worlds or whatever, and it just makes everything so much easier. So let's do API. So there. So we are going to have a special Steam component which stores the Steam that a block is using, because that's important. Kind of like that wrapper you made for iron bundles where it uses the NBT on an item or block entity. A bit, yeah. It is basically a wrapper for NBT storage, but it's gotten real fancy. Wait. Gen sources in 44 seconds. What? Holy shit, this computer's good. Let's just grab any block. Okay, it's already attached, I think. Yeah, good. Is this a different PC? Yeah, no, this is like just I used to do like most of my modding on my laptop, which is it's good, but it's not gaming quality. Down game just a bit. But yeah, congrats on the desktop limo. Yeah, no, it's the one that I've been using since I started streaming. Oh. Well, we should probably get something for what Steam is. So, hey, Rye, are we gonna go with the calories thing? Like, is that what we're gonna end up doing? Or should we have it, something else? Oh, calories. Either calories or heat units, yeah. Okay, so we are gonna have, like, the, fuel tick conversion thing. Okay. Ah. Okay, so. Yeah, we are thinking just calories for now because why not? But yeah. These numbers are not ever going to be actually visible. They will just be shown as a percent. So, there. Only ever heard it in Tech Connections video. BT means British Thermal Unit, and I know that only because of King of the Hill, yeah. Oh, wait, no, this should be... Right. Starts as an interface. Okay, just cleaning these up. I'd gladly take hammer units over meters any day. The more outlandish the unit, the less I have to care about real life, which is good, yeah. So... This is really all that the Steam component itself will store. The amount of current calories, how many calories to 100%, and the max amount of calories that you can have. I'll default, or... yeah. Not sure if it makes a huge difference, but I've noticed you're winking with your left eye a lot. Yeah, I've got something in it right now. I don't know what's up. Yeah, hopefully it'll be better soon. Is my... camera unit? Okay, I don't know why my now playing isn't work. Oh. Just a second, I just realized that my now playing display decided to stop working. I can fix it quickly. Should... Okay, Alright, I guess now playing just doesn't want to work. Oh well. Sorry! But yeah, I guess this is what we're gonna have, unless there's something else we need. As you know, I'm done to understand is aid conditioning cooling tons. The more tons, the better the cooling, the more your wallet cries. Yeah. Air conditioned cooling tons. Hammer units, an arbitrary percentage of the space you measure is shunted into hammer space, thus making all your measurements one. Yeah, so we've got a Steam component. It can add and subtract. Might want to start a simulation on this? We'll think about it. Yeah. We'll add more to this later. This is just starting out. Alright, so we're first gonna have a boiler block with an associated steam boiler block entity, which extends block entity there. I need to quickly check. Does kernel block have okay, yeah, so they did end up going with the thing. So yeah. See if you can download this. Yay! Java docs! Are you gonna write Java doc? No, I just need to see them. My AC unit 2.5 tons equivalent to 28,000 BTUs. Java, pensive. Yeah. So this one registers a block entity component factory for all instances of a given BE class. That's kind of what we want. Yeah. Let's actually get these set up. Private static block string name block. And import these. Then private static block entity. Extends block entity type. Register string name fire block box. Yeah, please. Registry block entity type identifier. What do you want again? Set of blocks. First I'm just gonna put this up so it fits on the screen. Wait, no, I can do that, right? Why doesn't Cat write her own mods? Because she gets distracted by all the strings. God, you're adorable. I don't like that you have to do this. Oh well. Then I can, over here, do another static void init. And this one has to be a package private. USM blocks need to access it. Right, identifier again. There. Then this. Actually, I don't need to. Do then have you just do the raw registry call. Block, identifier. Oh no, I can just return. There, that works. Yeah. That is a cute kitty. Wish Minecraft Cats did something with string. That'd be great, honestly. What is it again? Component key, then component factory, right? It went. Cat pads. I think it would be great if Minecraft cat pounds string like how Minecraft foxes pounce everything else. Yeah. Do I wanna mess with entities enough to figure out how to do that? I probably could. You get pets. There's some cat VTubers out there. Are enough cat VTubers out there that I have a couple cat petting emotes, yeah. There, wait, no, I want add calories to be, default. There. We'll probably change these to, like, be different later, but for now... Yeah. Since it's a producer, it can't go over its full... That's an idea that could go. Andorra was thinking about cat popsicles. Here's the texture she made, but she thought it was out of scope. Yeah. Yeah. Weird. Right component key. Where do we get this from again? Component registry. There. Put it 1600 for now. There. Yeah, there. We have a machine that has a block entity that can produce steam. Hey, Jude, if you're still around, can you deal with that? Wanna keep focusing on this. Thank you. Our bots are coming around lately. Plunking bad actors with a big wooden mallet. Okay. Welcome, Swaggy. Hello, Swaggy D13. Bird and Mist for now. Alright, there. This should basically just be a simple example of what should, like, proving that the component works. Obligatory mention of the BGM because, God, that soundtrack radiates a really nice calming aura. Yeah, it's so good. Can you hear it? Lima radiates a really nice calming aura, I know. Oh, thank you. You can hear it? Yeah. Yeah, if it's too quiet, I can turn it up. Let's get our music off. Video settings bright. Hearing some notes now. Okay. Oh, right, I forgot to... Whoops! No. Fuck. I keep forgetting things. Then, let me just check the docs quick for... There, now this should not crash when I try right-clicking. I think actually a mod should have many crashes would be a unique avant-garde experience. I mean, not enough crashes already exists. Mod pack where you learn how to play without crashing. Okay, Just ends up being a Minecraft take on a trial or death game. Limbo. Oh, I forgot block entity provider. And the registration. I'm doing great at this, wow. What if drinking a bottle of steam dealt 2 hearts damage, but it refilled your air meter? Interesting. Is this practical or is it just funny is the question, yeah. Who knows? Okay, awesome, it's working, yay, woohoo. I'm gonna be right back. I've just gotta go for a second, I'll be back soon. Okay, I am back. Sorry for the wait. But yeah, let's keep going. Welcome back, Lena. Hello. That's what they call the one of the furnace touch. I put this in the wrong folder, I'll have Orientable. Hey. Welcome back. Thank you all very much. Top front side. That's named low pressure boiler. And front, her face. All right. There. Yeah, let's put this in world, because I want to admire Rye's pretty textures. Because Rye, like, Cat just makes amazing textures, honestly. Pretty textures are always fun, yeah. it, okay, I messed something up. Let's see, do you have... Alright. Item model but no block model? Yeah, because I did it wrong. Then, run? Let's find out. Pretty texture's always fun, yeah. Alright. Got a thing on. There. See. There it is. There it is. Look at it. It's pretty. It's so pretty. Such a good texture. Oh, right. That should... Bottom texture should be, changed. So, I'll do that soon. I should just swap it to brick. Yeah. Let me double check orientable. Orientable. I want orientable with bottom. Oh, okay. Minecraft first with bottom texture. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly check. Textures, block. Maybe. LBL. Bricks. Alright. Looks lovely, yeah. Rise textures are the best. Okay, let's see. There, better texture. God, it looks so good. Like, it looks so round. It looks so fucking round. Ooh, a stretch. Thank you. Yeah, it's such a pretty texture. Looks so round with a full block. Yeah, like, it's amazing. Ooh, and a hydrate. Thank you, Jude. Hi, cow. Yeah, it's just such a good texture, Ryan. You did so amazing with it. Would you say Myard is PogChamp? It is quite PogChamp. Gotta make sure you're fresh on coolant during focus times like this, yeah. Okay, yeah, with that, we have the first block in. Nice. Nothing else, but let's add in some, like, simple stuff real quick. Oh, there. Now we have an item group for USM. Let me set the item group over here. Sorry. Oh, and I can basically do this for zinc and brass. And steel. With different hardnesses. Gotta make sure you're fresh and coolant. Yep. Read that already. And after. So we've got the copper. Wait, this isn't a 117 mod? Not right now. Yeah. Gonna be ported to 1.17 eventually, TM, yeah. Probably, yeah. No, definitely gonna port it to 117. 117 is cool as hell. And we've got the ores. God, these lines are long. We're gonna have alkyne sphalerite. And that's all the blocks we're gonna have. Oh, and then I need the sphalerite and malachite gems. Stop doing that. Ooh, a bloop. Just a sec. There. I wonder, is there a way to do template things? Love the bloop sound. It's a really good bloop sound. File and code templates. Ooh. Something gives you more channel points, it's handy, yeah. It is quite helpful to subscribe. Hey, now I can... I wonder... Angular velocity... let me see. Take out for admin? And you have the options to take out for admin. 5k channel points which admittedly you could do right now, yeah. Will this work? I need to do the new... Yes! This works! Yahoo! Okay, that's awesome. Nothing's... So, then I can do... I do want to do one more thing. Roll test, yeah? Then I want, there. Then there's A2 item model. Okay, that is copper, zinc, brass, steel, malachite, sphalerite. Yeah, those are all done. And then there's all the block ones. Copper, zinc, brass, steel. Here's the thing for closed window, closed tab. Right, then I'm gonna make another template because I need another. Ooh, Yoast101, thank you very much for following. Welcome to the network. Okay. But your scripting, Mama, I am working on on templates to make it easier for me to do generation of files and such. So, yeah, MC or something else. Yeah, MC. Okay, that is. That is actually so much easier. I made those all in the wrong folder. And last one. Yeah. Okay, and I can do that all again. Shit. For some reason it didn't give me my last curly bracket. There. And okay, let's take a look at this. Oh no. Cue block/cue ball. Ah. Ah. Hey, double checking. Okay, only missing thing is the Malachi gem. Awesome, yay! Ah. Hope everyone's comfy so far tonight. Yep. Let me fix that template. Loaded. if we go over, we have USM, and look at all the block models. Ah, look at them. Them stoves, yeah. So far so good. Yeah, don't congratulate me on these models. Congratulate Cat, because they made them and they are beautiful. They're not Japa-y yet, but just, they're so creative. Like just, the steel is like dense bricks, and the zinc is like planks, and like, Cat called the fucking cut copper, and it's so good! They're super wit, but like, they're amazing! They're so pretty. They're so pretty because they're from a pretty kitty. What I miss, we did a lot of generating of JSON files, so we have super pretty textures. This is adorable, yeah. Question for y'all, do I make blocks for the gems? Malachite salary? I mean, are you asking whether you should put more decoration options in or not? Because you absolutely should. God, though, of all the textures to get overhauled, I'm glad blocks like Diamond got a facelift. Yeah. The ores aren't just recolorings, and the copper boiler looks round despite being a full cube. Yeah. What did I end up naming it again? Post all feed. USM. Thank you for not following the same old war pattern as every vanilla overworld. Overworld pattern is super boring, yeah. Apparently even Mojang thinks so, since Copper Ore is a unique and good texture. Yeah, they've been, like, none of the ores they've added none of the ores they've added since release, like since 1.0, not a single ore has used the old boring ore text. Hell, possibly even earlier. Yeah, no, nether gold is a unique texture, and so is the gilded blackstone, which is honestly one of the prettiest blocks in Minecraft. Ooh, llama, yeah? What's up? Turn off echo thing. Turns texture. I DM'd you a malachite photo. This is gonna be a fun texture. Ooh. Oh my god, yeah, that's gonna be great! Holy shit. Ah, that's gonna be awesome. Yeah. I just realized that y'all couldn't see any of the templating stuff I did because that opened as technically a separate window. Oops. Ah. Oh well. Yeah, now if I launch wedding stuff. Oh, when I was making all the template things for the different types of block states and models and such. Yeah, I made a bunch of template things so I can just hit new, then like simple block item model, simple block state, or simple item model, and generate the file without having to copy or paste or write it all every time. Copy build JSONs, yeah. But now, look, everything's got its names. Woohoo! Except the copper ingot? Except the copper ingot. Oops. But yeah. Is that wrong? Yeah. Of these textures, I'm not happy with the steel ones. I really like the concept of the steel block, but I definitely think it could be improved. I really like the idea of each one looking like really different. There's ink? Yeah. Oh, I'm saying. Oh. Oh. Saying I am happy with them. Sorry, I completely misread. Yeah, I do think, like, they definitely do need to be Japified, but they're so good already. Are those ingots on the steel block? Possibly. Let's see. And I'm gonna need to do a lot of data. But yeah, it's meant to be ingots stacked like bricks. Yeah. That's how ingots are stored on pallets and warehouses. Yeah. Ah. What's going on? What? That's something. There. Don't care. Zing nugget? Oops. Thanks for catching that. I'm bad at typing. But yeah, that's honestly really nice amount of progress for tonight. Yeah, like we got the base component set up, and we're probably gonna change it later to have like simulation and such. Because yeah, of course. And yeah. Yeah, that is basically all we really need to, like, I think that's a good progress for 2 hours on a mod. Like, going over the fundamentals of it, all that cool stuff, then getting the base template and all the JSONs up, that is a nice amount of progress for one stream. So, how about we take it back over to just chatting for a bit, just hang out for until we decide to find someone to raid. Oh, that time flew by, yeah. Ah, well, yeah. Yeah, that was a fun night, honestly. I really enjoyed that. Time's a mysterious construct. Let me quickly commit all this. Taking a while to commit, huh? There. But yeah, this was fun, nice and chill. Not that big a stream, but oh well, yeah. Just letting you know, as we get closer to Christmas, I am likely to take a bit of a break to hang out with what family I can, look into getting a new place to live. Things are gonna be happening. It's nice to have a calm robot stream every once in a while. Yeah. Tomorrow night is gonna be pretty interesting. I don't want to say entirely too much about it, but folks who've been around probably know what's going on. It's definitely gonna be a lot of fun. Yeah. Thank you all so very much for joining in. It makes me very happy. I've had what kind of thing vaguely? Well, streamer's choice on Sundays, so I'll have something interesting to play. Yeah. Video gaming. Yeah. Definitely gonna be some fun stuff coming up. I am really excited. No, Osaka's going right now. Yeah, well, Yuma is in the middle of a 12-hour birthday slash 3,000 followers celebration, and apparently she just revealed something cool, so I wanna find out what. It's been it's been a nice, fun night, and yeah. been cool, Narksville. But yeah, I think I am gonna tag over to getting ready for a raid. Thank you all so much for joining in. Yeah, Monday will be Minecraft as usual, probably online instead. Let me pull up Yuma's chatting at the moment. Okay. But yeah, this has been quite fun. Thank you all very much for hanging out. What's the raid phrase? I don't know, actually. Yuma's been chatting for hours, yeah. How about this? Steamy raid! This is great. I'm really glad. Let me get raid set up. Alright. You did great, Lena. Thank you very much. Alright, let's get going. Thank you all very much for popping in, saying hi. It's been really fun, really nice to just hang out, and I'm really happy y'all were here. So, yeah, tomorrow is going to be a fun surprise thing. It's going to be real neat. And Sunday's going to be more Minecraft. Now, don't forget when you get over to Yuma's stream, don't forget to paste the raid phrase, and also click her profile icon twice so that your views can count for her partner push. I will see you all over there in just a bit. Gonna send you over in 5, 4, wait, Monday's gonna be more Minecraft. Sorry, I misspoke. But yeah, Sunday is gonna be the fun surprise stream. Monday is gonna be more Minecraft. Anyway, I will see you all over at Yuma's stream. Sending you over in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you later.